Tom's first try at cross-country skiing in Buffalo Blizzard 2022. He's always wanted to do it. He's had the skis for 10 plus years. And now before he moved to Florida, he's gonna try it. Say hi, Tom.
I'm doing it.
You're walking. You're sinking, Tom. You're not skiing, you're sinking. I thought you're supposed to be skiing, not sinking. This is why I never wanted to try it. You can't even tell he's got skis on. This is high as the mailbox. Yeah, check the mail while you're there, dear. See if the mailman came by today. Asher's barking at you. And just like that, it's over. His skis got stuck in the snow.